Here comes the sun, do-do-do-do. And with it comes a laundry list of home maintenance. It has to get done, so why not make it part of your spring cleaning routine? Number 1, clean your gutters. All kinds of stuff gets lodged up in there. Number 2, check your roof for any rotted or missing shingles. Number 3, clean your clothes dryer vent. And while you're at it, just change all the filters, like in your furnace. Number 4, prune or remove trees that look a little dead. Number 5, March through June is prime termite time, so check around for some swarming action. Number 6, get your AC serviced so it is running as efficiently as possible, which could save you on energy costs. Number 7, if you have a chimney, get it clean and inspected. Number 8, drain or flush out your water heater. Number 9, take a walk around outside and check the foundation for any cracks. And number 10, test all of your smoke and carbon dioxide detectors. And while you're at it, just change the batteries. But most importantly, get outside, enjoy the beautiful weather, and grow some beautiful flowers and veggies, because there's nothing like a homegrown tomato. Am I right?